Hi friends, it's Mia. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing and coloring something super fast and super cool. A police car Lamborghini Patrol Car. Yes, a real police car that looks like a race car. Zoom zoom! If you love drawing fast cars and learning with us, don't forget to subscribe so you can join our art crew every week. Let's start drawing and coloring our amazing Lamborghini Patrol Car. You can make it bright blue, just like in the picture, or use your imagination. What color would you pick for a police car? Maybe green with lightning bolts or rainbow with sparkles? This police car is super special. It's a Lamborghini, one of the fastest cars in the world. But guess what? It's not used for racing. It's used by police officers to help people patrol the streets and chase down troublemakers really fast when needed. That's why this car has special lights, loud sirens, and a shiny police badge. When the sirens go woo woo woo, it means it's time to move aside and let the heroes through. It's so fun to draw and color this cool police car, especially the flashing sirens and powerful wheels. Can you make your sirens shine extra bright on your drawing? Maybe even color them red, blue, and yellow.
Yes!
You're doing a fantastic job already, officer artist. Keep going. Let's imagine something exciting. You're a police officer for the day, and this Lamborghini is your patrol car. You hop in, put on your sunglasses, and start the engine. Vroom! Suddenly, your radio beeps. There's a kitten stuck in a tree. You zoom off to help. Woo, woo, woo! And with your super fast car, you arrive in seconds. You save the kitty, and everyone cheers. If you had a police car, what would you name it? Let's learn a few fun facts while we finish our drawing and coloring. Did you know some real police departments in places like Italy and Dubai use Lamborghinis to patrol highways? That's right, they go super fast to help people in emergencies. Most police cars have sirens, radios, cameras, and special badges to show they're official. Here's a silly fact. A Lamborghini police car can go over 200 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah. Can you imagine a cheetah and a police car having a race? Who do you think would win? Your Lamborghini police car is looking awesome. Keep going. You can add lights on the roof, shiny wheels, or even give it a name tag. Would you decorate your police car with stars or stripes? What if it had a rocket booster in the back? Or could fly like a superhero car? Keep coloring with bold, bright colors, because drawing and coloring is a great way to use your imagination and learn at the same time. If you're having fun being creative, go ahead and subscribe so we can draw even more exciting things together next time.
Let's draw and learn. Let's draw and learn. Let's draw and learn. Da 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 da.
You just drew and colored a Lamborghini Police Patrol Car and learned all about how police cars help people every day. Let's remember, police cars come in many shapes and sizes, but they're always ready to help. Some are super fast, like Lamborghinis, and you can imagine and create your very own designs. Great job! If you had fun, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new Draw and Learn adventure. Thanks for drawing and learning with us today. See you next time, friends. Bye!